Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today we're doing another cook on the ZGrills 700D3. This is one of the grills that you can get on the rewards crowdfunding program that they have. It's an incredible deal. I'll leave a video at the end for you to check that out. Definitely check it out. 11 grills for a one-time payment. Come on, it's family heirloom. So anyway, tonight what we're making is we're making some beef ribs in 3 hours. That's right, beef ribs done in 3 hours. I got these at Costco, pre-cut. They already had them cut. I don't know why they cut them, but Costco has the best beef back ribs that I've found, and anytime I'm down in Albuquerque, I gotta grab a rack or 2 or 3 or 4. So anyway, that's my beef ribs. Let me go inside and show you how I put them together and how we actually make these in 3 hours. And it's pretty much a no-fail 3-hour cook. Do them at 250 degrees on this little ZGrills 700D3. It's not little, it's a 700 square inch, 250. This thing ran at 250 solid the whole time. Like I mentioned, we're using the ZGrills 700D3 today, and I did the reward crowdfunding video on this, and what a deal. Anyway, I didn't really go over the specifics. So the hopper, this is a 20-pound hopper. I have some, actually have some cherry pellets in here today. 700 square inches inside. Got it heated up to 250 degrees. And it has a cabinet. Love cabinets. All right, so in the cabinet you can store your grills. You can store more pellets, whatever you want inside the cabinet. Again, that is kind of a rarity for pellet grills. You don't usually get a cabinet. And of course, you know, the drip, everything. It does have a heat shield. I put some foil over the drip tray, and like I said, 700 square inches top and bottom. So let's get these ribs in here. Oh, I also wanted to mention it has two temp probes, and they actually give you 2 temp probes. Okay, let's get these ribs. So for these beef back ribs, I was down at Costco down in Albuquerque the other day, and their beef back ribs, for some reason, were in individual cuts instead of the full rack. The full rack's here, but they cut them already. So I'm going to unwrap this, and we're going to get them seasoned up. They are unwrapped. See, it's a full rack, but for some reason, anyway, I'm going to spray a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit, to help hold the rub. And today's rub, I'm going to use some Killer Hogs brisket rub and some of my world famous spicy SPG. Now this is the backside, so it's not all that important with the rub, but I always put the rub on the underside as well. Okay, I'll catch the edges and see you outside. Okay, so we're doing these ribs today, 250. We're only going to smoke them for 3 hours. So this is a pretty quick cook for ribs. I've done it before on a full rack, but we're going to do it's a full rack. They're just cut. Get a little space between them. All right, see you in 2 hours. All right, we are 2 hours in. Now for these 3-hour ribs, all we got to do now is flip these over. They're looking really good. All right, now we're going to let these go for 1 hour, and they're going to pretty much be done. We'll wrap them, let them rest for like 15 minutes after we take them off, and enjoy them. See you in a sec. Okay, it's been 1 hour. Look at those ribs. Boy, those look good. So the last step is I've got some butcher plate paper over here on a cart, and I need to move these onto the butcher paper and wrap them up, and just leave them wrapped for like 15 minutes, and they're ready to eat. Okay, so I'm just gonna wrap them over this way. Okay, and I'm going to go over this way. Okay, now I'm going to let these rest for 15 minutes, and then we're going to give them a try. Now some wind kicks up, which is good because I had that butcher paper to wrap these up. I cut it a little bit off so you could see the smoke ring on that thing. See, it's all nice and done. I'll take a taste now because I can't wait. Oh man. Tender, juicy. Tender and juicy beef ribs in 3 hours. No kidding. 3 hours and 15 minutes. Gotta let them rest for 15 minutes. They are so good. Definitely next time you do some beef back ribs, try it this method. It works. All right, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and hey, I hope to see you guys on the next video coming soon. Have a great day.